Here he comes.
That finger. Yeah.
You're small enough, I bet you won't stay very long, will you? I bet you won't.
About 4 seconds.
Yeah. Only you.
He wants to get over there.
That's being there with the other dogs.
Be in there with the big dog. You're not a big dog. You're trying to be.
No, yes. I want a big dog. I'm all about the big dogs.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Boy, it warmed up, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Nice.
He's a jerk. I don't know.
First time we brought him out here, first time he got his legs under him, he grabbed on that and drove the whole thing down. We were just a pulling and the sliding.
Jennifer wanted to bring in her stuffed animal because she thought it would like, get the smell and it would be comforting for him, you know?
That's an idea.
He'll probably just chew it up.
Like, keep it away from Sadie.
As long as we keep it away from Sadie.
One end to the other.
All right. So we can see we need some chew toys.
She's running about a week and a half behind him.
Just in size
Yeah.
and development.
But I don't think she'll ever, her head, she's got a whole different head.
Well, her feet are little.
She's got a head like Stakina, you know, she's going to sort of be like her mama. Don't get in there and get stuck.